Hi everyone. Hey. I am back. Oh my goodness. It has been one crazy busy week for me. I've just been I work in retail and I've been working a lot. And when I say I work a lot, y'all, I mean I work not like I've been working a lot every day. I mean, my ass is working hard at work. Hard. This time of year, if you're employed in retail, it's just whew. But whatever. I am off today. It is Monday. I I apologize. Let me apologize because I'm sitting up here, y'all, in my pajamas, and I'm sorry, but I was just so excited and I could not wait any longer. I had gotten this a couple of days ago, and I wanted to share it with everybody, but I couldn't because I got work. I went to bed, and so I'm sitting up here in my my plant room, reading room. I think I'm just gonna name it Ginger's room because she hangs out in here a lot. She loves her bed in here. She prefers this room now. But I'm sitting up here in my chair, and so this is the first time that I'm sitting down and recording here. And yo, I am so excited because look what I got. Y'all, Christmas in December is real. Okay, yes, I know it's about Jesus, but you know, the gift giving, the shopping, and I've been doing a lot of shopping. I haven't been doing a lot, I guess I've been doing a lot of plant shopping. I haven't been doing a lot of Christmas shopping. And in fact, there's only a small section of my home that's even decorated. But anyway, this is a let me say it right. Monstera Deliciosa, a split leaf plant. It is in a 6-inch pot. It's, I'll put a close up in so you can really take a look at it. But this plant is really, really well. It also had, which you can't see, but it has a bunch of roots coming out at the bottom of it. So it does need to be repot. Y'all, I got this off of Etsy. And you know, this is one of these things where you just like, I need to shout out to this company. But at the same time, she has other plants there that I want. And once I tell y'all gonna go over there because you should. Because look, I live in South Carolina, which I've said before. Hertz Garden, it's not for me. I've never ordered from it. Never. But I've seen too many videos of disappointments. Even after there's always something wrong. I think let's say I've seen 10 videos out. Let me bring it a little bit closer because I feel like I'm leaning. Ooh, that's too close. Okay. So after watching about 10 or 20 videos, let's say out of 20, 18 of them got something wrong with them from Hertz. Hertz Garden just ain't the business. So, but I figure, not knowing where everybody's from, Hertz Garden is in California. And I'm like, well, maybe it's just too much of a transition, bumping and grinding. Oh, it's just too much. So, when I was on Etsy, I went with this one for 2 reasons. One, she's in Virginia, and she had excellent reviews. Or he. The name of her shop is Petals and Flowers. Y'all go on over there and check her out. Oh, I didn't tell you the price. The price of my Monstera. Put my glasses on. I can't do it because I have a bright light. See, y'all see the light? See the light? It's just such a glare. But I'm walking around a little bit blind, y'all. I know I'm a hot mess this morning, but that's okay. Petals and Flowers. Look how she packaged it. Let me show you how she packaged it. I think I had an insert in here. Okay. One, she puts in here, or the company puts in hot hands. Okay, because this company's out of Virginia. When I was complaining about it being so cold here, Y'all, I apologize. I did not know that the winter storm Diego was hitting this East Coast like this. Diego said the only thing we're going to do in South Carolina is give you a little chill. But about 3 hours away from me in Charlotte, they're covered in snow. So I was like, well, it's just a little cold. It's okay. This is the packet she used. You know, now see, it's in a priority mailbox, and can you tell it's doubled. It's like 2 boxes inserted in one. Then she placed not masking tape, which I see in videos, but this is some type of breathable mesh of some sort that covered the soil, that insulated the soil and protected it. And then she gently wrapped it around with 3 of these. Sent me an email, because I got it 7 days after I ordered it. Sent me an email and said, come on back in, y'all. Why y'all so far away? Sent me an email and said, hey, having bad weather here. We're going to wait. I was fine with that. Don't send my plant and it's going to get stuck. When she did send it, I got it. I got it a couple of days ago. And let me tell you, oh shoot, what is that? Let me tell y'all, a bitch was happy. Okay. I was happy. Okay. I was so happy at the condition of this plant. It was worth it. And I don't consider it an expense. I don't consider it, I think it was reasonably priced, because the Monsteras that I've seen them when they come in this 6, they be ranging up to $30. I paid, the listed price, I believe, was $17, and then it was shipping was $7.98, not $13. It's like, so I paid a total. Oh, somebody, you hear Ginger? Somebody don't got too close to the property line, and they're out there fighting. She's protective. She is really protective. Okay, I'm not gonna go down there and see. My husband's down there. But anyway, with shipping, so I paid around $22, let's just round up to $23, including the shipping. And this is in Virginia. I'm in South Carolina. They had bad weather. They waited. I think I got it in, so it didn't spend a lot of time in ground, but it was also packaged nicely. Now, you can say, what about people who order multiple plants? You're right. You order multiple plants and they put them in there. But the packaging just doesn't seem working. And there's always something irritatingly wrong with it. I'm sorry. I just can't do Hertz. I can't. Harley G, who I absolutely love. I love watching her channel. Y'all, I always name a YouTuber that's just because they really inspire me. They really, really inspire me to keep this going. And she has to be one of the most kind. She has to be so nice, because when she put that video up about about her Hearst experience and how they sent everything out and forgot to send her a plant. How you gonna forget to send her a plant? I wouldn't have been so kind. I wouldn't have been. I would have been furious. I would have been upset because they stuck all her plants basically in one box and then forgot. Y'all could have separated that. She had a big order. Not doing Hertz. Never. But petals and flowers, go over there. Go over there. Reasonably priced, great reviews. And I would say if you buy from Etsy, I think because we literally lived one state apart, one state apart, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. I don't think it spent a whole lot of time on the ground. So I think that made a big difference. I think, so I probably won't order. I wouldn't, I'm fortunate where I think all the plants that I want, I'm easily able to get them, so I guess I just don't want that much. Now I do want some, what is it? I have to edit this out. Rattlesnake plant. Calatheas. Took me a minute. But I do want some Calatheas. I want a variety of Calatheas. I love that plant and those plants, but I really wanted this one for a while. And I have been looking for it for probably about 6 or 7 months. And you like, wow, you couldn't find it for 6 or 7 months. Well, I wasn't willing to pay a price for a clipping. I wasn't willing to pay $30 for a clipping. I wasn't willing to or pay $30 for a 4-inch plant, because these are really popular and they seem to be really expressive. And when I say I was looking for 6 months, it wasn't constantly. But when I came across this one at Etsy, I was just like, wow, I can't believe it. And I was even then I was skeptical because it's just so many. But I will definitely purchase from this vendor again. The plant isn't damaged. It is not damaged. I gave her a little bit of water last night. I really don't want to repot it right away, only because it seems like I don't want to shock the plant too much. So I'll probably wait a couple of weeks and let it get conditioned. I might leave it in here for a few months. You know what? I'm not going to repot this unless it tells me it absolutely needs it, because I don't think it was in here for that long. I don't know. Because I think maybe waiting for spring might be the best thing to do, but I'll keep a close eye on her. Now, what I want to do is I wanted to update you guys on this room. Y'all, I've been busy. I've been working a lot, but I've been just having the best life right now because, I have some really great friends that it's just really nice. My husband, he is just been so supportive with everything right now. I think it's because he knows this time of year, like, y'all, look, I ain't made Thanksgiving dinner. I ain't cook. I didn't cook. I did cook, but I didn't cook anything like traditional. I thought he was going to his mama's house. He goes every year. I work. He goes every year. Depending on what time the store opens, maybe I can come, maybe I can't. Well, this year he says, well, baby, I'm spending it with you. But I told you my working hours. I told you, go ahead and go. Had to throw something together before I got up and went to work on Thanksgiving Day. Okay, y'all, enough of my rant. I just wanted to give you a little close-up look of the plant and the packaging that it came in. I really am really happy with Petals and Flowers, and I definitely recommend it. I will upload a new video, a quick tour of the room, but for now, just enjoy the happiness. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and click thumbs up. I love making these videos, and I love that you guys enjoy them too. I look forward to your comments, and I hope everybody is having a great day. Bye for now.